it's the kind of day where you just want to ride, you just want to sit and enjoy the ride and swear at some motorists. It's one of those days. With my son again, he's behind me on his Sporty. I'm going to surprise him in a little while, because what I'm going to do is, once we've turned right, which we do up here, to head towards Northampton, I'm going to pull over into a lay-by and suggest we swap bikes. Now, he may not be up for it. He may not be up for it because he might worry about riding my bike. Not that worry about me riding his. I think he'd be worried about riding mine. But let's see if he's up for it, shall we? And if he isn't, I've got it on camera. You wimp, I'll say. I'm allowed to do that because I'm his dad. He's probably thinking, what the hell? Do you want to swap?
What?
You've got to have that, otherwise it's going to, I don't know if it conks out or not, but you've got to, it won't run without it. Is there anything I should know about this? When I get to about 120, is it going to cause a problem?
Just ignore the speedo.
Huh?
Just ignore the speedo.
Ignore the speedo.
I think it's about 10 miles an hour. That's too fast.
Oh, it's not even on.
No.
Is that right?
Yeah.
This should be fun. He's revving the guts out of it. Don't go revving the guts out of it. This is fun. I'll give it to him, he was up for it. Harley man on the Sportster. It's got forward controls on this, and I'm not used to forward controls. Is that what I look like on my bike? Oh my god, I never realised. Stop thrashing the guts out of it! Now he's annoying me. I'll be interested to see what he thinks, because the Sporties are quite nippy little bikes, and the bigger you go, alright, they've got massive engines, but they're quite heavy, so sometimes you don't always get what you think from a much bigger bike. I couldn't ride this, you know, because my legs are already feeling a bit funny, a bit hurty between the thighs. He's got longer legs than me. It certainly is more manoeuvrable, let's say. He's done it again. I keep forgetting which gear I'm in. Come on, you can go faster! I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him.